So for this video I decided to make a recipe by a chef called Georgina Hayden, and she does a lot of Cyprus style recipes, but this one was caught my eye, and it's the pomegranate and dill with pistachio chicken pilaf. So she uses loads of fragrant ingredients like cinnamon and cumin seeds and saffron, which just adds a lovely depth flavour to the dish. So with the saffron I just soak it in some chicken stock and let that steep for a couple of minutes while I start with the onions. So butter and olive oil in a pan with onions and garlic, and then just stir them for about 5 minutes or so, just till they're just cooked. And then after that you want to add in your aromatics, so we've got cinnamon and cumin seeds. So I love using cinnamon sticks, so I always keep a jar of this in the larder, and it is great to flavour rice or even make really nice mulled wine at Christmas time. So after that, in goes the basmati rice, and I put about 250 grams of it for about 4 pieces of chicken thighs. So you just mix it all around with the spices and the onions. Then pour in that lovely spiced chicken stock with that saffron. Add some fresh dill and parsley. Then with the chicken thighs, just make sure that olive oil is rubbed in the skin and everywhere around it, and gently place the chicken thighs into the dish on top of the rice. Now it's okay if they're popping out of the liquid, because the chicken skin will go nice and crispy in the oven. That dish looks amazing even before it's gone into the oven, and when it comes out it is gorgeous. The skin is so crispy and the rice is fluffy and it's all cooked inside. It smells amazing. The last thing is to add some pomegranate molasses. Just drizzle it over the chicken skin, pop it back in the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be so nice and sticky. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.